Get your hands on the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer today and take your printing projects to the next level. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the Amazon link to this printer in the description below. This printer comes as a complete package with a shaking dryer machine, 500 ml ink bottles in K, CEM, Y, and white, a kilogram of hot melt powder, a full roll of 30 cm x 100 mm double-sided DTF film, and RIIN software that's safe and easy to install on Windows 7 through 11. The printer's stable structure ensures precise and consistent results, while its vibrant, full-color output makes your designs pop like never before. One of its strongest points is its software. RIIN Hosonsoft is reliable, virus-free, and better than RIP or Cadlink alternatives, which often encounter antivirus conflicts. The 13-inch maximum film width allows printing large designs easily, though 12.5 inches is optimal for edge accuracy. Speed is another area where this printer excels. It prints significantly faster than standard XP600 models and is double the speed of comparable L1800, L805, and our 1390 DTF printers. Additionally, WJTZXY's commitment to after-sales service is outstanding. They offer full support, replacement parts, and technical assistance, meaning you won't need to replace your printer repeatedly. Every buyer can easily reach technical support whenever required, making this investment highly reliable. The printer ships quickly from the USA, ensuring you can start your projects without long waits. While it's a professional-grade machine with a higher price point, its performance, software reliability, comprehensive package, and dedicated support justify the investment for anyone serious about DTF printing. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link in the description below to check the latest price or purchase the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer today and elevate your printing business instantly.